So XRP did their FLR airdrop back in last month, which I didn't even remember. But what you can do to check, so I done mine through Exodus, but you know Coinbase are doing. There's a lawsuit because Coinbase ain't supporting FLR airdrop, even though they got loads of people to join Coinbase saying they're going to support the XRP airdrop. 2 years ago, this was when the airdrop business started, but then their FLR was taking long to release it. But you can see how much you're owed or due. If you go on XRP scan, you can see your snapshot date. And then with my Exodus wallet, I just got my wallet public key and just put it in here. And we can see if you go down the FLR, so over here, you can see how much XRP I had in the snapshot date. And if yours wasn't registered at the time, then it'll say unregistered. But if you were registered, then it'll say how much FLR airdrop you should be getting and SGB. FLR is now launched to observation mode. So this is how to see it. But now to claim it, because Exodus wallet is not supporting the FLR token yet, you have to link it to Metamask. So if you go on Exodus, you can see my other video. Let me pause this quick. So on Exodus, you go to XRP wallet, then you press the top right, there's a little settings button, and then it says claim your airdrop. You can get your FLR private key. And then I'm gonna paste my FLR private key. I need to import that private key into MetaMask. So I'll be back. So I've copied my FLR private key. So I want to import an existing wallet. I agree. Is it a phrase I got? I got a key. 1 second. Let's have a look. Let me be back. I'm going to find the instructions. Okay, yes, I need to go create new account actually. Let me go back. I agree. And I'm still here. Let's go all the way back. Create new wallet first. I agree. Password. And make sure you guys subscribe. Check out my other videos. Some coins to keep your eyes on. Remind me later. Skip. Got it. I should have copied that actually, but I'll do it later. And then I think we need to go to import. So this is the same problem I was having in my other one. But we need to import, we need to follow these instructions here. So import account. But when I do it on here, these options are not showing for me. So next to here, there should be that option. Let's see here. There we go. Import account. So I'm wondering now whether I can do it in my old account because I wanted to do it in my normal account. So you would import an account and that's how it would work. But let me go back. So I've linked back my normal account. So now I can follow what it said. So normally I was looking at this button, but I want this circle, import account. I can put the private key, import. Okay, so it's still made a new account anyway. So account number 2, then we want to add the FLR network. Scroll down, add network. Wonder if they got FLR set up already. Nope. So we want to enter manually. So add network, where are we? Manually. So network name FLR. I want the RPC. Let's see if we're gonna copy it here. Chain ID 14, current symbol, FLR, block explorer optional, but let's copy it anyway. save. And there we go.